Alright, it's currently the 6th of September. Been a while, but I've been sick and show and everything like that. So, I'm about to start put this panel on first out of there, and I'm about to start putting all the panels on. So, yeah, we're getting excited. I'm also fixing some electronics in this with the aux and everything and the fucking SIG. So yeah, we're just doing that today. Right, so I have this double-sided mounting tape stuck down to the top. Have the first panel. I'm going to take the clear side off first and leave the other side on until it's all on, and then I'll take all of the outside like layer sealing off. Alright, so I'm about to go up, but the spotlights are finally wired in. They're not on right now, but they're wired in. They work. And also, Dad's going in there, but so use this to clamp it down, about to take them off. Basically, this is stuck down, and that's first panel or final panel on.